Hi Kevin, this is Larry from GBL. I'm kind of ready for you to show. It's hard to, you know, we missed your phone call at 10 a.m. Just I prepared a couple of things for to show it to you. And the first thing what I want to show it to you is the aluminum pans. You said you will use it for cleaning like equipment, thin metals. A lot of times there's like aluminiums. I can show you on that pan how this thing clean aluminium. There will be multiple pans. There will be black pot, red cast iron, and I have like black pan. Okay, then there will be first demo right now. And first the demo is here, and it's removing the paint. Maybe if she zoom it a little bit for me, it's totally hot, it's not overheating, it's perfectly clean. Second things what I want to show you is the red custom. Red custom is it's probably powder coating. And it's beautifully clean, not black spots there. I have also black pen, very thin here. And you clean it very nicely. The second what I have is the white paint, and it's the aluminum also. And you got perfectly nicely clean metal. Now, for for the wood, I prepared this chair here. It's the only chair what I found here, and I can show you how to remove wood stain. Anytime if you do wood stain or anything, the settings need to be changed. The machine have like different settings for different materials. I will send you, if you will have jobs and different, you will just send me, and I can send you like settings for the project you will be doing. Now, for the particularly wood application, I will need to change the settings, which means I go here and I will change frequency here. And I will be removing the stain. And how you see it's working beautifully. Beautifully clean wood. Okay, let's come here and I can show you here. Anytime you hit it, you can with your hand. Okay, that's the demo I want to show it to you today. I will be sending you this video, and I will hope we will have more discussion today.